Hi! In front of me is ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to choose Connected Devices and tap on Pair New Device. Over here, wait for available ones to show up, and when they do, click on the one that you want to connect to. Now select Pair and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but you can always forget this connection by tapping on this gear icon next to the device and selecting Forget, then Forget Device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!